My dear friends, Jai Jagannath. Namaskar. Today we will discuss about the trading platform. In my early videos, I was narrated कि two types of brokers. One is regular broker, other one is discounted brokers. Not other one, but trading regular brokers and discounted brokers. Allies Blue is one of the leading discount brokers in India. Mainly it is located in Bangalore, or HO Bangalore re achi. It has office also in Bhubaneswar. So we will discuss about Allies Blue broker. Why we will choose Allies Blue as our trading broker. Right. Let us discuss about Allies Blue. First thing, it has a simple, absolutely simple trading platform. One standard 5 student can also operate Allies Blue platform. It is so easy, so easy, so easy. Since it is discounted broker, it has the lowest brokerage charges, rupees 20. Means one lot, 20 rupees. Highest margin provider to 5x to 20x. India has ever seen. In comparison to Zerodha, in comparison to Offstocks, in comparison to other discounted brokers, regular brokerage manankara katha kahiba hi bhuli jao. Today crude oil lot trade kariya pai regular brokers will ask you 1.5 lakhs, where discount brokers like Allies Blue will charge you 7,000 rupees. Where is 1.5 lakhs? Where is 7,000 rupees? So retail trader friendly brokers are the discount brokers, and Allies Blue is one of the brokers. Highest margin providers. 5x to 20x or 2x to 20x in a sense ki if you do have 1 lakh in your account, you can trade up to 5 lakhs buy and sell. You can trade up to 10 lakhs. You can trade up to 20 lakhs. Looking products means this doesn't mean ki you have 1,000 rupees and you can trade up to 20,000 rupees in all products. No, not like that. Means product wise, volatility wise, margin will be decided. Right. For option buying one separate margin, for option selling one separate margin. So it depends, right? The most important part is Allies Blue is MCX award winner. I think the year 2018-19, these people won the award from the MCX multi commodity exchange. Crude oil जो commodity जो exchange करा जाए, multi commodity exchange रो MCX रो माने winner माने award won करथिले. Algo trading is also possible through Tradetron. एमानकर tie up अछि Tradetron सहित. You can do also algo tradings. Algorithm tradings is a big concept, vast concept. Means in early morning you will come to your desktop or laptop or mobile, not like that. The previous day also or 10 days before also you can set one algorithm process in your system. Accordingly that will happen the orders. Means buy, sell, automatically will be happening. For index option analysis, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, stocks analysis also, they do have tie-up with the Sensibles. Sensible really a wonderful option platform. Then beginner can learn from Sensibles. They do have paper trading facilities. They do have stock taking facilities like that. They do have local office also in Bhubaneswar also. These people are having local office. For professional traders, Nest platform is there. Allies Blue is having the tie-ups with the Nest platform, Nest Traders. In trading world, Nest Trader is a very good name or very good platform. And frankly speaking, I also do trade in next platform only. Means you can place the order very quickly, you can close up your order very quickly. If you have 10 positions, 20 positions at a time, you can square off, no issue at all. You can do basket orders, you can, means at a time you can play with 10, 20 orders. Means you can put your baskets, means contract size, see 11,500 contract Nifty I want to sell, 11,000 put I want to sell, call I want to sell. Means you can play various play. At a time you can place 10 orders, 15 orders, and at a time also you can square up 10, all these orders also. You take your profit, shut down your system, no issue at all. Next platform is a good platform, no doubt about it. And nowadays all youngsters having mobile versions, means they are using mobiles now, and LS Blue is also having the mobile versions. I will show in some other day how the Ant web is working, right? Okay. Why you the people, why you the guys will open the trading account or demat account through us, through ODI Traders? It's because you will get the technical analysis support. And as you know, as you are aware, we are providing the free learning facilities to the common audience, to the all viewers. Learn about stock market, invest your learnings in stock markets, invest your learnings, then you come to the trading, right? Trading related local supports you will get. It's because we are APDVR partner with LS Blue, so that you can, we are partners, we are authorized, so that you can open your account. I will provide you the link, so that by clicking that link, you can open your account. Simple, means your Aadhaar card, PAN card, 6-month bank account statement, all these requires. In one Aadhaar card itself, you will open your account in LS Blue. Free learnings about equity and commodities in our YouTube channel, in our website, oditraders.in. It is under constructions. We are also opening one website. Through that also, in that forum itself, you will learn about the equity market, trading market, currency market, trading related tips to make you success. Mainly analysis. You will get the stock related knowledge, you will get the index related knowledge, you will get where to buy, where to sell, where to put your stop loss, how to exit from trade, like this, right? How to operate LS Blue trading platform, right? How to operate LS Blue trading platform? Let's go to the LS Blue screen. Right. So, as I discussed, this is my platform. This is simple, plain. As I told you, simple. You have to write ant.alice blue blue online.com. So automatically ant.lsblueonline.com will appear in your screen. Simple. You have to. So my account is already activated, so that it opened immediately, right? Okay. I do also trade with the LS Blue. No issue. I will trade with some other place. Yeah, of course, I do have account in so many brokers, but I prefer to trade with LS Blue as because of they are good margin providers and very little amount brokerage they charge, right? So simple. The margin means this is all about the trading platform. Here, home, order, portfolio, alert, funds, like this. Simple. You will log in ant.lsblueonline.com. That the page will come, and I am showing you how you will add your stocks, right? Here I have added Reliance. Say, let me remove Reliance. So let me remove Reliance and add again. Okay. Here simple, I will type Reliance. So the Reliance automatically will appear, right? Reliance. So in this Reliance column, this is your buy column. Means if you click buy, so automatically this screen will come. Means you can put your cover order, MIS means intraday, right? Normal means day. If you want to put the position, MIS intraday. Here you will put regular order, bracket order, your cover order, all things. Limit order, market order, stop loss market orders, all you can put. Similarly, if you want to sell, you put the sell button. You can put how much quantity you want to place, in which price, then in limit order. Market order means what the price is going on in market. Stop loss order also you can put. I think that will take one separate video to detail narrate about the cover order, bracket order, stop loss order, limit order, market order, right? Just chumbakare mu kohuchi the people just to give one idea how simple it is, right? What the order you will place, you will see it in your portfolio positions. Means what you have to square off, what you have to add your positions, or what you have to delete your positions. Fonts column, here it is. You will come pay in means from your saving account to trading account you will transfer the amount, right? This page will come. Segment, you can put this broker LIS Blue. If you have, for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees, you can trade in both commodities, currencies and equities. But in other brokers, if you are having 1 lakh in your equity account, they will ask for to deposit another 20,000 or 50,000 or 10,000 in commodity account to trade in commodity. But these people are having only one platform. Means if you are having 10,000 in your account, you can trade the crude oil, you can trade the equity, you can trade the USD INR, and in all segments you can do a trade. So this is the page pay in, right? And important is a lot of features are here. Your orders means right now this is market is not going on, market is off. Otherwise, what the buy and sells you have done, here it will show, right? In pending order, in complete order, or trades. Means how much trades you have done, all these will be posted here. So you can see in orders, this is your home page. In home page itself, your daily Nifty 50 top gainers, and this is very good important part what LIS Blue is providing. Means Nifty 50 top gainer mu kahithili na last video I think. Top gainer top loser को देखिए भी ट्रेड करी हो. Nifty 50 रे ये automatically show करिवो. Similarly, important part I am going to tell you guys के for example say Nifty 13 August 11,500 CE call option रो मु गोटे ऐड करछि एठी जार प्राइस अछि 11 टंका 50 पैसा 11.50, right? You can go to the chart itself from here. If you just put your cursor over here buy, here sell, here open market depth, and here chart. Particularly, this is the chart. Here you put the indicators. If you go to the studies, here you put the say whatever maybe the say alligator. If you put, this will show the indicators to you. We will come, but what I suggest, you have to only use the broker's platform for buy and sell and follow the indicators and others. But for options, you must have to depend upon the broker's platform, right? Option price koti achi, koti ki jibo kon karibo, you have to depend. So here all columns are here. Yeah, important. If you click over here more, right, you will go to the option chain. So automatically this will take you to the sensible platforms. Automatically it will take you to the sensible platforms. So Sensible is absolutely a good platform for option, right? I am not promoting of Sensible, but options are there. You the guys can benefit from by looking the Sensible platform. Yeah, very good platform for option change. You can download in Excels, whatever you do, you can do it in Sensible. You can put buy and sell order also from Sensible. So, okay, buy and sell orders also from the regarding those who are doing trading. This is very absolutely good. So this is all about in a sense. Only a few clicks you can trading is not a big thing, big deal. Everybody can do it. But the thing is you have to learn, no, before putting buy and sell. Above all of this your hard earned money, right? So my dear friends, this is just one introduction video about Alice Blue. In coming videos also we will do a lot of videos, how to put cover orders, how to put bracket orders, how to make stop loss orders. It's because these are the fundamentals. See, all the technical indicators, price actions, okay. But above all, you have to come to the platform, because your buy, sell, position, falana, dilana, everything depends upon in broker's platform. So my dear friends, this is a good broker, and we are tied up. We have aligned with them. So please, video bhal lagile, please like, share and subscribe. Jai Jagannath. Thank you. Namaskar.